just sitting here waiting while I do my first ride. All right, y'all boys. The things that be on my bucket list is crazy. So I'm finna. Oh. Why do I have this? Do I really want to cover my beautiful face? Probably. This is exciting. Well, I asked the owner when he comes back if I should put this on. But this is exciting. Oh my God. Jesus. Alright, so we gotta put this on first, so I heard, and then we're gonna put the helmet on. Alright, here we go. Let's ride. The best time. The best.